Hey there, tire enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of tire deflators. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just looking to upgrade, I've got the lowdown on some top picks. Stick around and don't forget to check today's prices using the links in the description below. Let's roll into it. 1. RAYTEEN Rapid Tire Deflator. The tire deflator received mixed reviews. Some users appreciate its time-saving benefits, particularly when dealing with large tires for off-road vehicles or campers. The convenience of the deflator's design, allowing for a quicker release of air, stands out. The accuracy of the gauge is commended by several users, comparing it favorably to digital alternatives. On the downside, a recurring theme is the perceived cheapness of certain components. Complaints about the hose feeling flimsy and the case being of limited use raise concerns about the overall durability of the product. Issues with clips on the case and a C-clip coming off during use are noted, detracting from the product's perceived quality. Despite concerns about the build, there's consensus on the deflator's functionality, with users finding it effective for off-road adventures and quick adjustments. Some users appreciate the additional accessories, such as a valve stem puller, while others find the case's quality lacking. Overall, the product seems to offer value for money in terms of functionality, but potential buyers may need to consider its perceived build quality and the limitations of the accompanying accessories. 2. ARB E-Z Deflator. The tire deflator in question proves to be an indispensable tool for off-road enthusiasts, particularly those navigating through challenging terrains like sand, rocks, and snow. Its compact design and user-friendly operation make it a favored companion during off-road adventures. The deflator, equipped with a built-in valve core remover and gauge, ensures efficient and precise tire pressure adjustments. Users appreciate the deflator's simplicity and effectiveness, citing its dummy-proof design and the convenience of fitting into a glove box or center console. The included pouch with a tether loop adds to its portability, making it an essential part of any off-road kit. The deflator's ability to work seamlessly with a portable compressor enhances its utility for tackling diverse trails. While some users initially face challenges with the learning curve, particularly related to valve core removal, the majority attest to its rapid and accurate tire deflation capabilities. Those who experienced leakage issues highlight the importance of proper valve core removal for optimal performance. Additionally, the deflator's durability and construction receive commendation, with comparisons favorably made to other brands in the market. Despite occasional delays in delivery, the overall consensus is that the product delivers on its promise, providing a quick and reliable solution for airing down tires in off-road scenarios. Users recommend practicing the deflation process at home to master its use, ensuring a smooth experience when faced with real trail conditions. Overall, the tire deflator from ARB receives high praise for its efficiency, sturdiness, and contribution to a hassle-free off-road experience. 3. Boulder Tool Rapid Tire Deflation System. The tire deflator in question has garnered a mix of opinions from users, showcasing both positive and negative experiences. Users have praised its quick and accurate deflation capabilities, noting its efficiency in reducing tire pressure from 40 psi to 20 psi. The deflator's gauge, while matching some users' car dashboard readings, has been a point of contention. Some users reported a discrepancy of approximately 5 lobes, necessitating cross-checking with other pressure gauges for accuracy. The product's build quality received varied feedback. While many commended its sturdy construction and likened its performance to more expensive alternatives like the ARB, others encountered issues with the valve remover. Instances of defects in the valve remover requiring manual adjustments with a drill press raised concerns about quality control. Despite some negative experiences, positive reviews highlighted the deflator's ease of use, with clear instructions facilitating a quick tire deflation process. Additionally, positive customer service experiences were noted, as the manufacturer provided replacements for faulty units. Over time, however, durability concerns were raised, with reports of the deflator failing after a few months of regular use. In summary, the tire deflator has demonstrated efficient performance for many users, yet concerns about gauge accuracy, valve remover functionality, and long-term durability persist. The product's affordability and customer service responsiveness may influence potential buyers' decisions. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the product links in the video description.